have any fall flowering plants in your garden? Are you unsure which fertilizers to use and when to switch fertilizer types at the right time? Keep listening to find out which popular fall flowering plants you can start to fertilize right now and how to fertilize them later this year. Welcome to the DIY Garden Minute. I'm Sean McManus, and on this episode, I'm going to tell you which 5 fall flowering plants you can start fertilizing right now so they are ready to burst with flowers this autumn. Now I know we are in the tail end of spring, and summer is coming up really quick, but it's not a bad idea to think about your fall flowering plants and what they need throughout the summer months before they go into full flower producing mode. Oh, and really quick, if you're looking for any garden deals for seeds, bulbs, or containers, definitely check out our deals page for 10 to 15% off coupon codes at spokengarden.com/deals. Right now and into midsummer, you should fertilize your fall flowering plants with a balanced fertilizer like 5-5-5 or even 10-10-10 so they put on as much healthy, dense growth as possible and are ready for producing as many flowers as possible. Later on in late July to mid-August, you can change up the fertilizer you use to a 0.53 or a 2.67 or some other fertilizer variation where your nitrogen is really low or to 0 and your phosphorus and potassium are balanced for each plant to encourage the start of producing those flowers. If you want to know more about the 3 fertilizer numbers for NPK and what they mean, listen to our DIY Garden Minute episode 156. A link will be in this episode's description. With that, and knowing what to do when, the 5 fall flowering plants that you can start fertilizing right now and through the summer months are mums or chrysanthemums, sedums, African daisies, asters, and black-eyed Susans. There are definitely other fall flowering plants, especially in your specific region, that you can apply our fertilizing tips to. For all of your fall flowering plants, be sure to follow your local and regional growing needs as they can differ from how we garden in the Pacific Northwest. Also, make sure to keep up a regular watering schedule for each one of these plants, as any drought conditions or dry water stress can lead to these plants flowering earlier than usual. If you want to learn more about a specific garden topic, you can always go to spokengarden.com and type your garden topic into the search bar at the top of the page. And make sure to check out our deals page to save money on your next garden online purchase at spokengarden.com/deals. Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on that listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.